Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to edit the product categories pages with the page builder like W Bakery and Elementor using the WoodMart layout builder. So this is the client side website. So he want to add banner above the products and the description. So in this case, we need to create custom layout for this specific categories. So on his side, click on the add layout, choose the product layout type, product archive, and here you can choose the categories. I want to create layout for men's category, so then click on create layout, and here you can add like the banner. You can add anything in the layout. So I want to, this is the category layout. So this is the main layout of product archive for all product archive. So I want to copy this slider, paste it here. So then copy the another container of the layout. So you can add anything else in the layout to create something like this. You can add custom content like text block or add other custom content. You can add it in the layout to customize it. So and then publish the layout and clear the cache and check the category page. Here you can see the categories layout is applied on the specific categories, on the specific men category. So here you can add and customize the anything in the layout. So if I click on another category like women, here you can see, so please, yeah, this is women category. In women category, the main product archive layout applied. So in this men category, the new custom layout is applied. So if you want to add another layout for category, you need to create new layout and add the condition for specific category. Hope this video is helpful for you.